Hello, students. Welcome in the new chapter, a new point of the same chapter, the French Revolution. We are studying through this discussion what happened in the France, what different events taken place there, and how the French Revolution happened there, taken place there. Till here, we studied how the rule was there, how the monarchy abolished there. After abolishing the monarchy, the republic rule established there, convention elected there. But that convention, the republic rule also not given peaceful life to the France. The end of Robespierre paved for the new rulers or the new authorities. That authorities are said here, the Directory rules France. Now the France was ruled by the directories. It is called directory because 5 directories were there. That is a directory rule. The directory rule was in between. The period is here, 1795 to 1799. In this period, the directory ruled there. Who were in the directory rules? The wealthier middle classes seized the power. After the end of Jacobin government, the wealthier middle classes came in a power, or they acquired the power. They drafted new constitution. They introduced the new constitution. Through this constitution, they denied vote to non-propertied people or non-propertized section society. When the monarchy was failed there, the new republic was established. That time, all men above 21, whether they belong propertied or not propertied, they got right to vote. But when this directory rule came in the France, they drafted the new constitution, and through this new constitution, these people denied right to vote to the non-propertied section of society. It means only the wealthier people again will vote there, like which was happened in the National Assembly's rule. The same was happened here also. What they had done here, they provided for 2 elected legislative councils. 2 legislative councils were there. That is the upper house and lower house. This upper house and lower house appointing the directory. This directory was an executive made up of the 5 members. It was the executive body, ruling body of the France. They were executives. They appointed a directory, an executive made up of the 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in the one-man executive as under the Jacobins. Why it is there? Why they chosen the 5 directory there? 5 directors there? Because they were having the experience of the concentration of power with the Jacobin government. In the Jacobin government, the power was concentrated in one hand and he misused his power. That is why now here they taken care the power decentralization. The power decentralized in the 5 hands. That's where the 5 directories. However, the directors often clashed within the legislative council. The clashes were taking place in between directors and the legislatives. Then they sought to dismiss them. The legislative council dismissed these directors. This was happened the political instability in the France, the political stability not remain. Again, the changes were taken place in the France. Again, political changes taken place. This directory change, dismission of the directory rule made the political instability in the France, and this made this given path, clear path to the Napoleon Bonaparte, the rise of military dictator, that is the Napoleon Bonaparte. Through all these changes in the form of government, the ideas of freedom, of equality before the law, and of fraternity remained inspiring ideals that motivated political movements in France and the rest of Europe during the following century. This political instability, political changes, social changes which taken place through the French Revolution, that inspired the world. what got through this revolution? If we will see, if we will make the calculation, practically there are no fine changes they got. The political instability remain, rulers again and again changing. Sometimes power concentrated in one hand, sometimes it is decentralized. This was happened. The directory rule was also dismissed when Napoleon Bonaparte military dictator came in a rule. After the fall of Napoleon, what happened? That we are going to see next year. What changes Napoleon made? The study of Napoleon is not this year to you people. You can study more about the Napoleon Bonaparte. He is a very inspiring historical personality. That is extra part of your study. You have to study it, then it gives many values to you people. This is one hand. On the other hand, what world got through this French Revolution? Through French Revolution, the world got equality, fraternity, freedom. These values inspired not only to the France, not only to the Europe, to rest of world also. The inspirations got through the French Revolution. That is why this incident, this event in the history of world is a very important. Till here we studied about it. In the remaining part, we are going to see how it made changes in the life of women, what women got through this revolution, and the abolition of slavery. That 2 points we will discuss in the above videos, in the upcoming videos.